Dear students, today we have to know about parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines never cut each other. On extending to any length on both sides, they never cut each other. You can see two lines on the blackboard. First line AB and second line CD. If they are parallel, we can write in this way: AB line parallel to CD line. So parallel line denoted by this way. So parallel lines never cut each other on extending to any length. Whether you can increase these lines this sides or increase this line this sides. Another line CD, you can increase these ends this sides and increase this ends this another sides. They never cut each other. So both are equal distance from each other. Distance between them always equal. The distance between them is always equal. Always equal. Example, railway track. Example, railway track. Railway track. Railway track never cut each other, never meet from one another because they are apart from same distance and they are parallel. And the wheels of the rail comes on the track comfortably and the rail moves smoothly. Another example of sides of river, sides of blackboard, sides of book, both are parallel. Parallel lines are very important for us because we use these lines in the making picture. Carpenter also use these lines to make furniture, and also there are so many uses of parallel lines in our daily life, in making picture and making a building. So parallel lines useful for us. Anywhere you want these lines should be equal from each other, and that time you use parallel lines. है ना. पैरेलल लाइंस, विद द यूज ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस योर डेस्क बेंच, है ना, the edge of the desk bench always equal and seem to us, है ना, nice, हाँ, because cutting of the edges of the wood, है ना, parallelly, so becomes very nice. So parallel lines we use, है ना, in many ways. Border of sari cloths and design of cloths, है ना. So these lines are very important for us. Thanks.